Hello everyone. In our today's problem, we have to find the maximum unique subarray sum after deletion. So, you'll be given an integer array, which will be nums. All you have to do, you are allowed to delete any number of elements from nums without making it empty. After performing the deletion, select a subarray of nums such that all elements in the subarray are unique. The sum of elements in the subarray is maximized. Okay, and you have to return the maximum sum of such a subarray. So you'll be given this array. All you have to do, you can delete as much as elements you want. Okay, and you have to make a subarray. You have to make a subarray where all the elements are unique. So if you have a look, our current array, here all the elements are unique. There is no duplicate value, no negative value. Our target is we have to make the subarray, the sum of subarray maximum, right? If we delete any element from here, we're gonna reduce our value, we're gonna reduce our sum, right? So I'm not gonna delete anything, as the problem statement says you are allowed to delete any number of elements from nums without making it empty. So we can't make it empty, and there is nothing says like we have to delete at least this kind of number. So it's me, like, do I want to delete any number or not? So in that case, in the test case, I'm not gonna delete anything. I'm gonna keep every elements of this number. So my new subarray will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the answer will be sum of all elements, right? That's it. Now, if we take this example, so here, if we have a look, we can see, I'll say subarray. Okay, so my new subarray will be, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete all the negative value from here, first of all. So as why I'm deleting the negative value, so that my sum will be the maximum one, right? So I delete this one, I will delete this one, I will delete this one, right? So my new subarray will be 1, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, so if I want, I can keep the 0 or delete the 0. Actually, if we keep the 0 or delete the 0, it will not impact on my sum, right? If I do 1 plus 0, it will be still 1, right? So there is no value in 0. Okay, now if we have a look at our new subarray, it's subarray, but it's not unique because we have 1, 2 times. So we have to delete 1 and 1, 1. Then our new subarray will be 1, 2, 0, or 1, 2. Then sum will be 1 plus 2 plus 0, which is 3, right? If we have a look, output is 3, right? Here, in that case, if the test case is like this, so initially my subarray, yeah, there is no negative value, so I'm not gonna delete anything. But if we have a look, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1. But our element should be unique. So I can keep only 1, 1, and 0. So 1 plus 0, which will be 1. Answer will be 1. So now, how can you keep the unique elements? Like if the array is 1, 2, 3, 1, 5, 2, 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1. So there are multiples one, multiples two, three, like this. But here, what you can do, if you are solving this problem with C++, there is a STL library which is called set in C++. So you can say set int st and you're gonna push all the elements from array. So if what sets do, set keeps all the unique elements in its, right? So if you push 1 1 1 1 in the set, it will only keep only 1 1, right? If you push 3 2, it will keep only 1 2 here, right? So set contain all unique elements inside of it, right? So if we push all the elements inside of set, we're gonna get the unique elements. And while pushing the elements, I'll say like I'll say if the number is like greater than 0, then push it. So don't insert any negative number in the set so that I can get the maximum value, right? So if I implement it in the code, what I will do, I'm gonna say set and set, that's it, and then I'm gonna say for int or constant num in nums if num is greater than 0, so I'm not gonna insert any 0 here as well. Greater than 0, then set dot insert num, that's it, and and what I'm gonna do, I'll take into the response equal to 0, then for int elements in set, I can say response plus equal to elements, that's it, and then return response. If I run this code, it will give me an error. So if I show you, there's a character, sorry, not that error I'm talking about. Yeah, so it's throwing wrong answer for -100 and -17 and -15, right? So if my test case is -17 and -15, right? Here in that case, what I'm doing, I am inserting all the positive value in my set, right? But now, if you have a look in my current array, there is no positive value. All the values are negatives. In that case, what we have to do, we have to return the maximum number, right? So here, the maximum number is -15. How can we solve this edge case? So to solve this edge case, like what I can do, while inserting all the values in my set, I can keep track on my maximum number, right? So I can say my maximum is equal to anti-min, I can say, and for each number I can say my maximum will be maximum of maximum or my current num. Okay, now before going there, I can say if my max num is less than or equal to 0, then return maximum. That's it. Now if I run my code, yeah, it's passed. So here what I'm saying, what I'm saying, Like I'm tracking all the maximum num, right? So after this loop, my set will be empty, but my max num will be minus 15. Then I'm saying, like, if my max num is minus, that means there is no positive value in my current array, right? In the given array. So I'll return the max num from here. I hope you got it. Like if the array was like this, minus 15 and then 1. So the max num will be 1 from here, right? Then I can go for the further process, right? On the set. Then my set will be 1, right? But if there is no positive value, then my max num will be minus 15. Minus 15. That means there is no maximum num. So there is no positive number. So I'll return the maximum number from negative value, right? Okay. I hope you got it. And that's the solution. If I submit it, accepted. Thank you so much, guys.